Hello guys, a new mining video for BNB coin. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the first comment of the video, also in the description, all in my channel in Telegram. Join for over 200 coins to mine in Telegram and all news like you see. This is the home page. We click in connect wallet. We choose any wallet that you want. If you want, you can click on all wallet. You can choose your wallet here. Wallet will appear here like that. We will choose trust wallet. Like you see, you can choose any wallet that you want. I just entered to my wallet. Like you see, this is my wallet. Now it asks you to connect. We just click in connect. Now it will be connected to your wallet. We wait. Like you see, it's connected to my wallet. This is the home page, like you see, of the site. We scroll down. Like you see, how it's work, very simple. We collect 3 BNB every 5 minutes, like you see. For harvest, we click in harvest. We complete this simple reCAPTCHA. We do that every 5 minutes. You can make free money using this site, like you see. Choose human made. We click verify, like you see. My balances grow here. Bonus coin, like you see. This how it's work. We harvest every 5 minutes. You can upgrade your mining. You click upgrade and you choose any option over there. There is for 20 days. We click here, upgrade. It ask for your balance. This upgrade from your balance. If you return, you can deposit. You choose your BNB from your balance or your wallet. Here you can deposit from your balance, or you can deposit from other wallet to the site. Maximize your earning. This is how it's work. It's free BNB. This is history, like you see. History of mining. You claim every 5 minutes free BNB. That's all. Every 5 minutes. Like you see, the link will be in the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.